Can I be honest with you for a minute? I wasn't planning to make this video. I actually had another topic ready to go. But over the past few weeks, I've been watching everything happening around workplace protections, the EEOC, accommodations, more layoffs happening, the continued drama with AI, and even the things around us just as Black women that's separate from work but still kind of connected. The cases going on about our missing Black men or those who have been unalived, um, like the Nolan Wells story or Ryan Clark, or just so many other conversations that are happening and things that are impacting us, whether it be socially, at work, amongst family, friends. And it made me stop and ask myself, am I creating this content and resources that you need right now, or am I creating what I think you need? And one thing I've learned about this community of 500 plus neurodivergent Black women, thank you for being a part of this community, is that your workplace challenges don't just happen in isolation. They're connected to everything else that we're carrying. Being a Black woman, living with neurodivergent conditions, trying to build a career, trying to protect our peace, trying to pay the bills, trying to decide whether to stay, leave, disclose, mask, advocate, or just make it through another day or even another week. So a while back, I created this workplace decision guide. And the reason I created it wasn't because I woke up with this great idea, but it was because so many of you kept saying the same thing, no matter where you were on your career journey. I'm overwhelmed. I'm going through a lot of stuff at work, but I'm not sure where to start. And I recognize when you feel like that, everything feels urgent. So instead of guessing, I listened to you. And that guide came directly from what you shared with me. So today I want to do that again. Not because I don't have ideas, because this brain of mine comes up with plenty of them, trust me. But I don't want to build the next few months of content based on assumptions. I want to build it around what you're actually experiencing. So I need you to do me a favor and tell me in the comments your responses to these three questions. Question one, what's the hardest part of your work life right now? Question number two, what if I could create one resource that would make your work life easier, like in the moment? What would that be? Would it be a video? Would it be some type of guide, workshop, office hours, templates, coaching, or something else? And then lastly, question number three. What's the question you keep asking yourself about work that nobody seems to be able to answer? Because here's what I know. There are plenty of people giving generic career advice. And that's not why I created Black Girls Unmasking, even though a part of it kind of is why I created this, was because I started this space for us, because we deserve support that's rooted in our lived experience, not advice that assumes we're navigating a level playing field, which I know you know that we're not. You wouldn't be here if you thought that was true. And I want to make sure that's exactly what this community continues to be. So before you go, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So if you're on TikTok or another platform, that's great if you follow there, but if you head over to YouTube, that's where you're going to find me hanging out most. And then after you subscribe, answer these three questions. What's the biggest challenge you're facing at work right now? If I could help you solve one workplace problem, what would it be? And then what's one question about work you wish somebody would finally answer for you? So I'm listening. I'm going to read every comment. It may take me a little time to do that. And then I want you to do me a favor and also read each other's comments, because I think you're going to find even more community knowing others are going through similar challenges than you are. And then after you comment and I go through those comments to check your answers, I'm going to get to work creating what you need most. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.